Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how investigators find hidden information online? So today we are unlocking the secrets of OSINT, that is open source intelligence. It's like a detective work with publicly available data. No hacking is required. So in this we can uncover valuable information using the publicly available resources. So, the best part of it is today we will explore two awesome tools, that is Google Docs for supercharged searches and Maltego for visualizing connections. So, first we will see what exactly is OSINT. It's just the process of gathering and analyzing the publicly available information from internet, social media and other open sources. This information can be used for various purposes like for cybersecurity, for investigations, or for even competitive intelligence. So, whether you are a cybersecurity enthusiast, a forensic analyst, or just curious, OSINT is a skill worth learning. So, we'll start with Google Docking. So, Google Docs are the advanced search operators that let you find specific types of information on the internet. It's like having superpowers for Google search. You can locate exposed files, hidden pages, and more with just a few commands. So, in Google Docking, we just have to use some specific search operators in order to find some information. So, let's start simple. If I want to find a PDF file related to cybersecurity, so for that purpose, I will use a search operator file type. Then PDF and cybersecurity. So in this way, we can use the search operator file type PDF. Look at this, all the PDF files Google have indexed. So here the different files are being searched with just the search operator file type. So this was just a basic search operator. So now if we have to find the login pages for a particular website, then we can type in URL, then login in order to find the login pages. Then site for a particular site. So here we can use any kind of site. And then hit enter. So see, I have searched login pages for the site facebook.com. So if you're doing an assessment, means imagine that you're doing an assessment and this search operator will help you to find or locate the weak entry points. So see, as you can see, the different login pages are being displayed here for Facebook. And to make this even easier, there is an amazing resource which is called as Google Hacking Database. Or it is simply known as GHDB from ExploitDB. So, the Google Hacking Database is a curated list of Google Docs for finding sensitive information quickly. So, we'll explore this. So, in the GHDB, you'll find all the docs, categorized docs for discovering vulnerable files, devices, and even exposed credentials. So from here, you can select different categories like file containing usernames. So under this file containing usernames, you'll find docs like file type, then the entitled index of passwords, credentials. So this searches for different files containing the potential usernames and passwords. So there are different categories also, like vulnerable files, then sensitive directories, web server detection. In vulnerable file category, you can use the in URL index of PHP. So this identifies the URLs which are vulnerable to SQL injection. So these all are pre-tested docs, so they can save a lot of your time. So you can use this simply and find the information whatever you want. So using GHDP, let's find the admin login pages. So for that purpose, you have to use the search operator in URL, then admin and login. As we have to find admin login pages, so we are using this Google Doc. So now look at the result. So we have got direct links to the login portals. So this is how Google Docs are used to find the information about a particular target. So Google Doc is all about experimenting. Just you have to combine the operators like cite, file type, in title, in URL and on to refine your searches. So our next tool is Maltego. Maltego is used to gather, analyze and visualize the publicly available information. It uncovers the relationships and patterns between different entities like domains, IP address, social media profiles and much more. So here I will show you how to use Maltego. For our demo, we'll be using Kali Linux. Maltego can be installed on Windows, Mac OS and other Linux distributions. So before you can run Maltego, you need to run the installer, which is here in the application menu under the information gathering. So I have already installed the installer, so it's coming as Maltego only. If you have not installed, then you have to run the Maltego installer from the application menu. Once you run that, then go to the terminal and start by just entering Maltego command. So the application will open. So I have already installed the Maltego application from the installer in application menu. This is the free Maltego Community Edition. So you have to just log in or register with your username and password in this application, and then you'll see the user interface. This is the graphical user interface of the Maltego application. As I have said that I have installed the Maltego Community Edition, which is free. So this is the main Maltego graphical user interface. This is the application menu. Here different application. This is the application menu, which has different options. This is the start page, and this is the Maltego Transform Hub. So first we will install different transforms. As we are using Community Edition, we have to select the same option in the Maltego Transform Hub page. So here I have already installed different transforms like Dorking transform, census, open sanctions, have I been bond, hunter and all. So these are the different transforms which you can install. See here the option is given of for installing, just click on that and install the transforms which you want to use. So now I will show you how to work with different transforms. So for this demo, we will be using a person entity. As I have said that in Maltego, we can see the different relationships and patterns between the entities like IP address, domains and person names. So here the entity which will be using is person. So for that purpose you have to click on new, then the new graph pane will open in this window. Then click on the person entity and just drag it here. So as I have entered the name is John Doe. So we have to search some information about this person. So for this demo, I am using this name. This is the entity palette where you can search for different entities like person, domain, then cryptocurrency also. So for running the transforms, just right click and just click here to run. Just select some properties to get the results in a detailed manner. So as you can see, the result is being displayed here. So when the transform runs, Maltego retrieves some publicly available email address related to this name John Doe. So as you can see here, the different email addresses related to this name are being displayed here. Also, some domain names are also being listed. This is the domain names, DNS records. So Maltego is a powerful tool and you can do so much more with this tool than I have shown here. So using Maltego, you could map out the digital footprint of a target organization, including identifying their employees, emails, their social media profiles or devices, much more. So this was just a quick overview into OSINT with the tools like Google Docs and Maltego. So if you like this video, then share and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.